baka nga nandun yung mga ebidensya. So early morning, Saturday, in-escortan na siya 6 o'clock. Ang binigyan namin pass is 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So nagulat nga yung OSAA, si General Aplasca, kanina he reported to me nga na biglang may sumunod na si IDG. So I question. Sabi ko, this is an entirely Senate operation.
Okay.
And this was done upon the request of the person himself. So we didn't need any search warrant.
Correct.
Kasi voluntary. So doon nagkaroon ng this. Ako, I was of the impression, nung una, nadala na nga nung sa yung computer eh. Nagulat na lang ako nung kagabi, wala palang nadalang computer, naiwan pala doon because nagkaroon nga ng pagbago ng isip.